I need to be honest with you. I've wasted so many hours on those AI will make you rich overnight videos. I copied their tricks, used the same websites, even bought a couple of expensive AI courses. Result? Nothing. No magic money, no instant results, just a lot of disappointment. So in this video, instead of promising you thousands of dollars in a week, I'm going to show you practical ways to use AI from home with zero or very low upfront cost. I'll walk you through what's actually working for real people in 2025, the exact tools they're using, and how to set everything up step by step. No hype, no get-rich overnight promises, just realistic workflows you can start testing today. All right, let's start with the first method. Imagine going from a blank screen to a fully built Shopify store in less than an hour. Without writing product descriptions, without designing the layout, and without manually updating prices every time something changes. In this section, I'll show you how to let AI do the heavy lifting, from generating a branded, professional-looking store to loading in products, and even setting up automations that handle orders and price changes for you in the background. By the end, you'll understand exactly how to go from zero to a live working e-commerce store that's mostly run by systems instead of your time. Start by opening an AI store builder. In this example, I'm using a tool like buildyourstore.ai. Click the big button that says Build My Free Store. Enter your name, your email, create a password, and continue. Now the tool will ask you a few simple questions. First, choose a niche. You'll usually see options like electronics, home decor, pet products, beauty, and so on. If you're not sure what to pick, choose the I'm not sure option and let the AI choose a niche for you based on what's trending. Next, it will ask you to choose a couple of homepage banner images. You'll see 6 images that match the niche you selected. Pick 2 that you like. These will be the big hero images at the top of your homepage. Then click Done. This AI store is built on top of Shopify, so you'll need a Shopify account. Click the button that says Access Shopify. You'll see a free trial and then a low $1 per month intro price for the first 3 months. Enter your email, create a password, and click Create Shopify Account. Shopify will ask you to choose a plan. Select the basic plan. Enter your business address and save. You'll then see some setup questions about what you plan to sell and whether you're already selling. You can click Skip Setup on most of these because the AI builder is going to handle the main configuration for you. Now look at the top of your browser and copy the URL of your new Shopify store from the address bar. Go back to the AI builder, paste that URL into the box where it asks for your store address, click Save, and then click Done. Now the AI tool knows exactly which Shopify store to connect to. Next, the AI builder will ask you to install its Shopify app so it can actually build the store for you. Click Install App, then confirm by clicking Install again. Now you'll usually see a choice between different store packages. For example, a free beginner store that includes a free theme, 2 banners, and 10 preloaded products, or a paid option where a team handpicks products and designs everything for you. For this tutorial, we're sticking with the free beginner store. Select the free option, click Continue with Basic Store, and then click Customize My Store. At this point, the AI is actually building everything for you on Shopify in the background. This can take a few moments. Once it's done, go back to your Shopify admin dashboard. Now, the store is live, but you don't want to manually place every order yourself. That's where a tool like AutoDS comes in. Scroll down on the AI builder and click Register to AutoDS. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, click Start Trial for $1. Enter your email, your name, create a password, and click Join Now. AutoDS will ask which selling channel you're using. Choose Shopify. Then you'll see a list of plans. Avoid the basic import plan because it doesn't include full automation. Choose the starter plan. Your first month should be $1, and after that, it renews at the regular price. Enter your card details and continue. Next, AutoDS will ask how you heard about them. You can select YouTube if you want, and what type of products you plan to sell. Choose the same niche you picked earlier. Then it will ask about your goals, like automating orders, tracking stock, or finding products. I usually tick all of them and click Continue. Select I have a Shopify store already. AutoDS will walk you through installing its Shopify app. Click Install App, then confirm by clicking Install again. On the left, click Online Store, then click Preferences or Customize. Find the section for password protection and click Store Password. Turn off Password Protect your online store and click Save at the top. Now click View Store. You'll see the two banner images you picked at the top, a headline and tagline that the AI generated for your niche, and usually an announcement bar with messages like free shipping or site-wide sale. There's a menu with links like Catalog, Contact, and maybe About, plus a simple logo the tool created for you. Scroll down and you'll see featured products and sections explaining why people should buy from your store. Click on Catalog and you'll see all the products the AI loaded into your store automatically, matching your niche. Open one product, for example, a sleep headband. On the product page, you'll see different colors, quantity options, maybe bundle offers like buy two and save, and an add to cart button. If you go through the checkout flow, you'll see this is a fully functional store, built in just a few minutes with AI. Here's what AutoDS now does for you. When someone buys a product on your Shopify store, AutoDS automatically orders that product from your supplier and ships it directly to your customer without you touching anything. If your supplier raises their price, AutoDS can automatically raise the price on your Shopify store so you don't lose money. If a product goes out of stock with the supplier, it will mark that product as out of stock in your store too. This is your back-end automation, and it saves you a ton of time and headaches. Inside the AI Store Builder, you'll now see another step like Generate My First Video or Create UGC. Click that. You'll be taken to the UGC or User Generated Content section. Click New Video. Now paste in the link to one of your products from your Shopify store. For example, I'll go back to Shopify, open the sleep headband product, copy the link from the browser, and paste it into the UGC tool. Next, choose a video type. You might see options like video reaction, product in hand, or product in hand with voiceover. I like product in hand with voiceover, so I'll select that and click Continue. The tool will pull in your product name, description, and all of the product images from your store. Choose the main image you want shown in the video and click Next. Then choose your video settings. Keep it vertical 9:16, which is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Leave the language in English, choose a short length like 8 seconds, and click Next. Now pick an AI avatar. This is the virtual influencer who will appear in the video and talk about your product. Scroll through the options, choose one you like, and click Next. The tool will generate 3 short scripts for the AI avatar to read. Read through them, pick the one you like best, click Next, and then click Generate. Give it a few minutes to process. When it's done, your video is ready. Play it, and you'll see an AI influencer talking about your product using your images in a short vertical video. All you did was paste your product link, and now you have a ready-to-post video for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts that can drive traffic back to your Shopify store. If you're finding this helpful so far, make sure to click like and subscribe. I'm constantly testing new AI tools and online income methods, and I only share the ones that I think actually have potential. If you don't want to miss future videos like this, definitely subscribe to the channel. Now, if a full Shopify store feels a bit too advanced for you right now, or you're not ready for monthly fees yet, let's look at a lighter option that's more beginner-friendly. The second method is AI-powered print-on-demand with viral content. In this model, you use AI to come up with funny or clever designs, put them on products like t-shirts or hoodies, and then use simple short-form videos to promote them. You've probably seen those short clips where someone is just screen recording themselves, designing a Christmas sweater or a dark humor hoodie in Canva, and the video has hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. There's a link to their store in the bio, and many of those stores have thousands of customers. That's the idea here. The basic business model is simple. Use AI to brainstorm design ideas, turn them into real products with a print-on-demand supplier, and then create short videos showing your designs and linking to your store. First, use AI for slogans and concepts. Open ChatGPT or Claude. Find a product online that's already selling well in a niche you like. For example, a funny nurse t-shirt or a sarcastic coffee mug for programmers. Then ask the AI something like, using this product as inspiration, give me 20 original funny slogan ideas for nurses, or for dog moms, or for gamers. Tell it to keep the same style of humor but not copy the original text. The AI will generate a list of fresh ideas you can use for your designs. If you need artwork to go with the text, use an image generator like Leonardo AI. Create an account, then type prompts like cute cartoon dog with sunglasses, simple bold style, transparent background, or retro gamer character holding a controller, flat vector style. Generate a few images and download the ones that fit your idea. Next, build the actual design in Canva. Open Canva and create a new design using a t-shirt template or a custom canvas that matches print-on-demand dimensions. Type your AI-generated slogan in a large, readable font. Upload the image you made with Leonardo and position it above or below the text. Make sure the design is clean and simple. When you're happy with it, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG format, high resolution, and make sure you select a transparent background if you're putting it on shirts. Now set up a free store using Printify. Sign up for a free Printify account. In your dashboard, click to add a new store and choose the pop-up store option. This gives you a free hosted storefront without needing your own website or Shopify plan. Give your store a name and choose a simple theme. Then go to the product catalog and select a t-shirt, hoodie, mug, or any other product you want to sell. Click it, then upload the design you made in Canva. Position your design on the product, choose colors and sizes, and set your selling price so there's a healthy profit margin above the base cost. Publish the product to your pop-up store. Printify will give you a link to your store that you can put in your TikTok bio, your Instagram bio, or your YouTube description. When someone buys from your pop-up store, Printify will automatically send the order to the print provider. The provider will print the product, package it, and ship it to your customer. You keep the profit difference between your selling price and the base cost. Next, turn your design process into content. Record your screen while you brainstorm slogans with AI, generate art in Leonardo, and drag and drop your design together in Canva. Then edit that raw recording into a 10 to 20 second vertical video. Add text overlays like, "Should I launch this design?" or "Would you wear this?" and some background music. Post those videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, and put your store link in your bio or description. Some creators get millions of views with very simple Design with Me content like this. Not every design will sell, and there are no guarantees, but AI makes it easy and cheap to test many ideas quickly without buying any inventory. Finally, let's look at side hustle number 3, which is completely digital. The third side hustle is an AI Pinterest affiliate blog. This is perfect if you don't want to handle any physical products at all. Here, you use AI to write helpful blog posts, AI to create the images, and Pinterest to send traffic to those posts. Your income comes from affiliate links inside the articles. Here's how it works. First, write the article with AI. Open Claude or ChatGPT and give it a detailed prompt. For example, write a 1,500-word blog post about 15 must-have accessories for a cozy cottage garden. Each accessory should be something people can buy on Amazon US. Use a friendly, descriptive tone. The AI will generate a full article with an introduction, sections, and descriptions of each accessory. Read through it and make small edits if needed so it sounds natural. Next, create matching images with an AI image generator like Leonardo. For example, use prompts such as romantic cottage garden path with flowers and lanterns at golden hour, or rustic wooden bench surrounded by plants in a cottage garden, high resolution. Generate a few images that visually match what your article is about and download them. Now you need a place to publish your article. To keep this at $0, you can use a free blogging platform like Medium. Create a free Medium account, click Write a Story, and paste your article into the editor. Add your AI images throughout the post to make it look good and engaging. Next, add affiliate links. Join an affiliate program such as Amazon Associates and get your unique affiliate links for the products you mentioned in the article. Go back to your Medium post and turn product names or phrases like check price on Amazon into clickable links using your affiliate URLs. Now your article is ready to potentially earn commissions whenever someone clicks your links and buys something. The final step is to drive traffic using Pinterest. Create a Pinterest business account. Then go back to Canva and create vertical pins using the images you generated with AI. Add big, clear text like 15 cozy cottage garden ideas you'll love or must-have cottage garden accessories. Upload these pins to Pinterest. In the title and description, include keywords people might search for, like cottage garden ideas, garden decor, or garden accessories. Paste the link to your Medium article as the destination URL. Over time, as your pins get views, saves, and clicks, Pinterest users will start visiting your article. Some of those visitors will click your affiliate links and make purchases. This side hustle usually grows more slowly, but it can become a nice semi-passive income stream if you keep publishing helpful articles and pins. So those are 3 real AI side hustles you can start from home. Number 1. An AI-built Shopify store with full back-end automation and AI-generated influencer videos. Number 2. AI-powered print-on-demand designs promoted with simple viral-style short-form videos. Number 3. An AI Pinterest affiliate blog using AI-written articles and AI images to drive traffic and commissions. None of these are magic money machines. They all take time, testing, and consistency. But they're based on real business models that people are already using successfully. AI just makes them faster and easier to start. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to start with: Shopify, print-on-demand, or Pinterest. If you want more honest, step-by-step videos on work-from-home jobs and AI side hustles in 2025, make sure you like this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. And if you haven't seen it yet, check out my video where I share 5 hidden remote jobs hiring right now. I'll see you in that video.